Hi parents, I thought I'd just speak to you a little bit about what to do if your child doesn't like to sit still. My daughter's exactly the same, and what I found helps is I have a magic rug. And you don't have to use this all the time, just sometimes when you want them really to focus. And you can pretend it's a flying carpet, or you can say it's a magic rug. But they have to stay on it. They don't necessarily have to sit on it, but they have to stay on it whilst you're doing the activity you want them to do. So it might be something as simple as singing a song. They may do two, but they may just stay for one, and that's okay. If you find that they only stay for half a song, then next time aim for 3/4 of the song and just slowly try and build it up. It might be that you're doing songs, or you might have a toy that you want them to play with, or you can use it to do a jigsaw. And as I say, you don't have to do it all of the time, just maybe a couple of minutes, and then as the children get used to it, you can build it up and try and make sure, like mine, that it's relatively clear and that you don't have lots of other toys about to distract them. And hopefully you should find, if you make it really exciting, that they will want to stay. If they wander off, then see if you can just bring them back, even if it is just for one more turn, and then they can go and do whatever it is that they want to do. As I say, don't worry if they don't sit still. If they're standing, as long as they're on the carpet, that's fine, that's okay. And hopefully over time you'll just be able to build it up a little bit more for them. Excellent. If you have any questions, please subscribe and please ask them in the comments, and I'll try to do some more videos to give you a few pointers, and hopefully try and help your children. All right then, thanks very much. I'll see you later.